All right, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Mike Lowy. We're back. I've been gone for a week, so that's why there has been no content. I need a content creator soon. We've been traveling, so we were in Colorado snowboarding. Great time, obviously. Separated my shoulder, so we had fun. But other than that, man, we still killed it all week that I was gone. I was still doing my morning and night watch list. So regardless if I'm on vacation or not, you guys still get your trades. And actually, a lot of people ate just from my watch list alone. What I started doing is I go live every morning now for the Discord. So every morning I'm on voice chat and I stay on until I'm done trading. So, however long that may be, that's how long you could potentially trade with me. Uh, we caught so many good trades, man. We'll just go over a few trades from last week if you guys want to. We could take a look at like a couple things on the watch list. Let's do this. We'll just go over this week. All right. So I mean today alone was beautiful. These are all my indicators. I just use them as like confluences really. Fib. The fib you could use as confluences. Let me move the market real quick. Boom. Oh. Boom. So obviously, clear reversal through the fib, through the 50% right there. So this retest, you could take it short to previous lows of the day. And then you obviously have to break, retest, and go. So, there's a lot of different indicators you could use. You just got to do your own research, do your own back testing. I said, like, literally, there's no new methods. There's no crazy way to trade. It's not like I have this one skill, this one trick that you could make millions from. Like, no, you just watch the charts day in, day out, right? So let's turn all these on. All right, that's about all we need. This is about all I use, really. VWAP 200, 21, and 8. So, it was a beautiful touch to that 200 EMA, and then straight through VWAP, straight through 21, straight through 8, straight through VWAP, retest VWAP, go down. So I could use indicators. Indicators don't always work. Like you'd see, this chop zone through these. Not really. You still could have used it and used the 21 as your pullback. So today in the chat, bro, we ate so hard in the chat. Let's see. Boom. Market was pretty terrible. It's been pretty terrible, to be honest. But people are still eating. So, it's that. Yeah. Over $200. 60% of his account. Like, that's crazy. Okay. Yeah, whatever. 526, 207, 208, 100. Is it mine? 172, 276. Oh, I turned this to a green day. This was the same day. And then I ended up with 335. And then, dude, look at this. Come on, we're eating. Everybody's eating. 100% trade, like, in one day. Boom, 22%. This is all when I was on vacation. So I'm telling you, man, the watch list work. You really just got to put in the time, trust the trade. Here for today, we had NVIDIA break of 113 down to 110, right? If we got that. So go to NVIDIA, you chart out 113. Boom. Right there. Perfect zone. Right below it, take it down to what? 110. Look at that. 110. Oh, almost 110 flat. Ugh. I was about 10 cents away from the full TP, but literally, that's a 1 to 3 if you held all the way to here. But just even 112.98, like 113 to 110 is an amazing setup. So that's like, you got to plan your trade and trade your plan and not get FOMO. A lot of times I gave my money back is because of straight FOMO. I was like, dude, like, this might go crazy. This might go crazy. And then the only thing that goes crazy is me giving money back to the market. So as soon as you make your money for the day, just be done. We had some good, decent levels, I guess you could say, on Tesla. I actually lost money on. I stopped out on this wick right here. Zoom in a little bit more. Yeah, we had the little retest down. Okay, still didn't break, and then this wick stopped me out, and then it just stayed choppy. So I moved on. It ended up happening. That is, this is the move I wanted originally, but if it's like that, I'm not touching it. If it's ugly. Nvidia, dude, we top ticked Nvidia like crazy. So like the 113 to 110 was just on the watch list, right? But if you were in the morning chat with us, then you saw that where's today? Nvidia 114 calls, right? Stop loss 113.20. Because we opened, I mean, look where we opened. We opened beautifully right here. So I did get stopped out initially on Nvidia. And as soon as we reclaimed and retested, that was my re-entry. And we took it all the way to 115.42. This was what? So we were letting this trade play out. Then we entered SPY calls, 576. So where do we enter the SPY calls at? So then we entered SPY calls right here. And then right here, feel free to trim NVIDIA. Boom, all out of NVIDIA. About 9:15, 9:20 should be the time that we hit that. Yep, 9:20. So this is the wick that we sold on right here, which was the highest part, right? And that was the rejection for the whole day. So, and then the watch list just smacked because, that's like a guaranteed one. Like we break this level, we will fall. So that's what I do for the watch list. I give you guys some, not guaranteed. I don't want to say guaranteed, but I give you guys very safe plays with easy to see stop losses. So that way, hey, if it hits, it hits. If it doesn't, you just respect your stop loss and get out. Yeah, and then so I'll have NVIDIA and then trim SPY here, and then TP hit on SPY. So our TP, yeah. So I mean, I think my TP was. Pretty sure I had it like right here. That would make the most sense from what I'm seeing. So yeah, so my TP was right here. So I mean, we could have got a little bit more, but yeah, this was a beautiful trade on SPY as well. Beautiful execution today. A lot of people lost money, so we didn't. It was pretty nice. I guess going forward, we could see, we got swing trades, we got futures. So if you guys do the funded accounts, if you just want to swing trade, anything you guys want to do, we got in the Discord, right? So honestly, like tune in, like and subscribe. I'm trying to get better at explaining things more, right, throughout the videos as I go. So again, these are all the indicators. Okay, I'll start an indicators tab. 200 EMA, right? So let's just keep it simple. I'll make another video on this, but we'll just start with the 200. That is a great rejection point or bounce point. You see that? So anytime you're approaching that 200, typically, like if you caught this and you're approaching 200, I would definitely take profits. Let's see. Yeah. See, I just don't like indicators, man. I just like the charts. Bare. I like that. I just raw dog the charts all day. That's how I love looking at them. But yeah, so 200, let's see, 5, we'll go over 5 or do the 8. The 8 you could always usually follow the trend with. So, you see this bearish movement, you get this little gap, you could enter here. Boom, all right, we're on a clear downtrend now, like we're in the safe zone right here. And you could just use your 8 as a stop loss. So obviously the second this happened, you should stop out because that went straight to pretty much your entry. But if you didn't take profits from 577 to 574, then you're just greedy, honestly. So check yourself mentally, emotionally. Don't get emotional when it comes to trading. So much easier said than done. Everybody does, but if you are about to enter a trade and you find yourself super nervous and you're like, oh man, like, all right, here we go. Like, probably don't enter it or just go super light. Like, just do 1 or 2 contracts. Nothing crazy, tight stop loss. All right, go. And if it hits, it hits. But I would consider that a high risk lotto play. Like, that's like high risk. I just want to be greedy, get some more out of the market instead of wait. This day was beautiful on SPY. We caught it actually from here. This is when I was on. I think when was this? The 5th. Oh, we caught all that yesterday. Oh man, but yeah, I love this shit. So let me know if you guys have any questions. KSM Trading 25 on Instagram. Let me know. Reach out to me, Mike Lowy. You could reach out Instagram, Facebook, whatever. If you have questions, if you want to get started, if you've never touched the market before or even know what it is you're looking at, let's go. I got you. The time is now. There's no point to wait till next year. Maybe hit a New Year's resolution. You should have already started. All you gotta do is look at a screen and you hit buttons. You just click once and then click once again when you sell, and you make money. So yes, personally, I would choose trading. It's not for everybody, but it's a good skill that I think everybody should want to learn. Yeah, that's it. Your boy's out, and we'll be back again tomorrow. We're back on track. I have no vacations planned, so good to go, baby. Time to rack it up. Hopefully we get some clear direction by the end of the day today.